Morning. It's blowing a gale, absolute gale. I don't know if you can hear me. I've got a lapel mic on just to try and shroud the wind. Yeah, it's about 25 to 30 mile an hour winds. Yeah, I've only been going about 10 minutes from here to the car. It's about 10 minutes away. Anyway, found something. Right, let's put my specs on for this. Hopefully the wind's not blowing in the mic. Don't know. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Anyway, I've got it's going to see the flow next week. Take that seal matrix down. So she's already translated it for me. So she wants to see that and a few other bits like the night spur and stuff. So I'll be taking them down so she can see them. And I'll put my gloves back on because this wind's frigging cold. Right. I think that's a button. Yep, it's a button. I've got into a shady area, so hopefully the wind's not blowing on the mic too much. Made a beeline for the back of the field with there's trees. Yeah, Jesus, I must be mad. Yeah, just a button. Now, is that button or coin? Oh, it's looking promising. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it's a button. Yeah. Why do you have to look like little Romans? Yeah, sun. Dang it. Beauty. Out of the wind. Thank God for that. Whew. Yeah, that definitely blew the cobwebs away. Right. So I've just got to my coffee spot in the shade, away from the gale. Got a signal just as I went to put my machine down. Signal in the hole. Just dug it up. Can't find the signal. Vanished. It's over there. I don't know how it's got over there. So it's come out of the hole and just straight over. Oh, hang on. No, it looks modern. Or is it? Oh, hang on. Let me where's my specs? 2 secs. Right. That, I know you can't see it, is a Lizzie bunhead. Halfpenny. I think it's a halfpenny. Yeah, pretty sure it's a halfpenny. Yeah. It's thin though. Bloody thin. Let me spray it. Right. Yeah. Somebody seen a few videos of people saying you shouldn't spray coins. You shouldn't get them wet. That's the ground. That's been wet since the day this was put in there. Yeah, I don't think you need to worry about that. Don't let it dry off. People say, oh, let it dry off. Don't let it dry off, because if it's in clay, when clay dries, it's just like concrete. So you're going to ruin the coin. As soon as the moisture is taken out of the clay which is stuck to the coin, it will set like concrete. So ideally, clean it straight away. Don't just leave it. The ground's wet. You wetting the coin isn't going to make any difference. It's been sat in there for a good 100, 200 years. Don't worry about that. This one looks like it's an early one, I think. Is it an early one? What's the date? Oh, not too early. 1886. It's a nice coin, huh? It's in real good condition. Yep, Sweet, now I can have my coffee break. Yeah, don't be afraid to spray them, especially if it's silver. Don't sit there like that rubbing it with your hands. The soil's grit, really fine grit, so you're rubbing that silver coin. Oh, there's no detail on it. Yeah, you've just bloody rubbed half of it off. Spray it. Take a bottle of water, a little bottle, and spray the thing. Jesus, that's like putting 800 grit sandpaper on it and just rubbing it. That's all you're doing, you're just rubbing it like sandpaper. Yeah, don't do that. A little spray with water. It's not going to take up much room in your bag, is it really? Yeah, that's how you look after coins. As soon as you take out of the moist ground, you need to clean it straight away. You let that all dry off, you've ruined the coin. Right, that's a nice one, that. Right, time for me coffee. Rant over. And there is it's a bit of lead, hem weight of some sort, hole through it. Yeah. A really naff spindle wool. Yeah, no, it's I think it's a hem weight, some sort. What they used to sew to the bottom of the dresses and stuff. Get it through. There you go. Yeah. Hey, cool. Whew. There's a long way to go. This is only my first line. More to come, hopefully. Right, I've come out of my sheltered spot. Luckily I'm next to the hedge. No, it's just a... yeah, it's just a harness ring. Yeah, I'm going to say harness ring. One, it's too small for an annular brooch. And two, there's no wear marks where the pin would have been. Yeah, harness ring. Yeah. Try and protect you from the wind. Just there. Probably not doing a good job of it because I can feel it on my hand. That is... oh, that's a button. God, that's a thin button. Yeah, it's really thin. It's a wafer. I went over onto another field over that way where there's an old pathway which was not on the census of the 76 census, but it was on there in the 1840s, an old map I found. Yeah. I spent 20 minutes, did about 20 foot, dug about 20 holes, gave up and come back. Yeah, just aluminium everywhere. It's like, yeah, I'm not doing that. So I've come back over here. Yeah. Right. Well, that took a hot minute. That little tiny thing there. Yeah, got it. Oh, yeah, a really small button. Oh, that's tiny. Trying to protect you from the wind. Focus. Yeah, it's a tiny little button. This is hard work today. Pooped. Right, stop for a spot lunch, I think. Yeah. Right. I'm going to say button because I can see the shank. But it's a full shank. Yeah. Yeah. Concave button. Oh. Is that? No. Just a scratch. And where my coil is, there's an 84. So let's go and have a look at that as well. But think that's going to be aluminium. Right, just here on the surface, well, not round the surface, just a foot scrape away. Oh, hello. Oh, what's that? Oh, hang on. Oh, sorry. Need to give that a wash and find out what it is. 2 seconds. Right, well, it was some sort of mount. I don't know what. I can't really make it out. Might be a flower. I don't know. Pin on the back. Another piece. Copper alloy there. It's gone really dark and grey. So yeah, it'll be starting to head back to the car. I think we have a thimble. Yep. Yeah, we got a thimble. Oh, I ain't had one of them for a long time. Yeah, squished one. Just keep an eye on the camera, make sure I'm not drifting away from you. Yeah, squished thimble. I'll clean that up when I go home. It's going to take too long, that. It's been a long time since I've had one of them. Over a year. Well, about a year, actually. Yeah, sweet. Right, pistol shot. Near the car now. Just there. Get off. Just there. It was quiet. It was alright when I was at the top. Coming down, nope, went dead. I'm calling it a day because this wind's doing my head in. Right, so the roundup, the aftermath of a very windy day's hunting. An old 303, didn't show this because it's just a 303, World War II, not fired, still a bit of cartridge case around it. Yeah, that, having a clue, still having a clue, it's not silver, it's not aluminium, it's too heavy for aluminium, I think it's probably pure, but it's got a white, what lead would be, but definitely not lead. Yeah, another item I didn't film, I don't think. Don't know where it is. Yeah, still don't. Never mind. Ring harness. Yeah, nothing special. Yay. Thimble. Yeah. As you can see, I haven't straightened it because it's falling apart. Well, then straighten it. I tend not to straighten my thimbles anyway. I tend to just leave them as they are, unless they're silver. But yeah, I tend to just leave them. It's cool they're a farm one though. It's been a year. Yeah, this bar mount, I think it's an English rose. I don't know if I'm seeing an English rose or... Let me see it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Don't know. Right, another item I didn't film because I thought it was a rivet at first. It's made of lead. So then I thought it must be a pop mend. It's too small for a pop mend. And that is rust. So if it is a pop mend, it was a pop mend for an iron pot or something. Say steel pot. Yeah, I've never seen a rivet made of lead. So it must be a pot mend, a very small one. Or a very naff spindle whorl, or a very large hem wheat. I don't know. Yeah. I'm on the sidelines with all, I'm not quite sure. Pistol shot. Fired. Clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. This one's in immaculate condition. Yeah, I know, it's just a button, but like I said, I like buttons. That's in real immaculate condition, that. And a stupidly thin one. Yeah, Jesus. Really thin. Right. This I didn't film because this is what I sort of class as modern as well. George VI onwards, I don't really take any notice to them. So it's a Dizzy Lizzy in a second. But then we got our Sticky Vicky. Yeah. 1886. Yeah. Seems like I'm back in another silver dry spell. I only just got out of it. I'm back in it again straight away. Never mind. That's it. That's the video. Yeah. Nothing amazing. I think more than anything, that wind was so off-putting. I couldn't hear anything in the headphones half the time. So, yeah. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the nothingness-ish kind of thing. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.